Hello guys, welcome to another awesome video about OB Forex trading. Okay, we are still recruiting for September class. All right, today is the 14th of September and we only have 1 week for before the class the September class gets started. Okay, the September class will start on the 21st of September. So if you are interested, okay, it's only $13 or 5,000 naira to participate. Now, if you have the following cryptocurrencies, you can also pay with those cryptocurrencies. Okay, you can pay with TST, you can pay with TST, you can pay with BTC, you can pay with Ether. Okay, also you can pay with TMT. All right, also you can pay with TMT. Okay, so you have only 1 week. Okay, and one of the benefits of going through this training is that you are being guided, you are being trained by an expert in binary trading. Okay, and also there is a free mentorship class or group that you can join, and you can ask any question you want to ask about binary trading. Okay, we also have the advanced class. If you're interested in the advanced class, the advanced class is an online Zoom class. I think it's a 3 months class. Okay, it's a 3 months class of intensive training on binary trading. Okay, so if you're interested in that too, also let me know. All right, so guys, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Until I see you guys next time, take care. Bye for now.